NIO has officially unveiled the third-generation 2026 ES8, bringing major upgrades in design, interior, and features. In fact, it is 181mm longer and 21mm wider than the previous model. With a length of 5,280mm and a wheelbase of 3,130mm, the new ES8 offers NIO's largest interior space to date, with both 6-seat and 7-seat layouts available. In the 6-seat version, the second-row seats can recline up to 151 degrees and support heating, ventilation, massage, and leg extension heating. Additional features include 5-zone climate control, folding tables, a refrigerator, a 27-speaker Dolby Atmos audio system, a panoramic sunroof, and a 21.4-inch rear ceiling-mounted display with 3K resolution. Compared to the previous model, the instrument panel now features a panoramic digital display that runs the full width of the dashboard. It is complemented by a 16.4-inch floating central display and an updated Nomi AI assistant, as seen in the flagship NIO ET9. A redesigned center console provides additional storage, along with dual 50-watt wireless charging pads and a pair of cup holders. Built on a 900-volt high-voltage architecture and featuring 5C ultra-fast charging, the new ES8 can add more than 250 kilometers of range in 5 minutes. Power comes from a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering 697 horsepower. It will use a 102-kilowatt ternary lithium battery and offers an estimated 635-kilometer range on the CLTC test cycle. The car also supports the battery swap technology that replaces a depleted battery with a full one in 3 minutes. In China, NIO has begun pre-sales for the new ES8 with a starting price of 460,800 yuan.